Hello everybody. Today we will learn about hyperlink button. Hyperlink button is the button that can be clicked and linked to the other website or click for custom event. Now let's start. I create a page, class to WinUI name page and hyperlink button page. Just save it and go to app or navigate to hyperlink button page. Okay, now try to close other tab. Okay, now we try with a stack panel. We need some attribute, horizontal center, vertical center, and space 20 in stack panel. No, sorry, format the code in stack panel. I will create hyperlink for open website. Hyperlink button for open website and try hyperlink button name Google link. Oh yes, it is here. It's the AI. Hyperlink button name Google link. This is the name of the element. Navigate URI to Google and click. No, we don't need click. Just remove here because we have navigate URI and contain Google. Now just save it and run. It's work or not? Okay, Google, just click. Yeah, it's work. This is the hyperlink button for open a website. We don't need a click. Now, try other one. This one is that hyperlink button with custom click event. Now, try it. Hyperlink. Not auto, more like before. That content. Click me to saw message and click event. This should be try create new one, custom event. Okay, go to definition and I will show mistake box here. So we could set content dialog for new content dialog. Open curly bracket, title equal hello Khmer, content equal you click the hyperlink button and Khmer close button text equal okay, and the more root, don't forget this is important, equal this dot content dot summer root. Okay, forget semicolon, and now display that dialog dot so is it. Just save it and stop and run again. Now we have two hyperlink buttons. The first one is open a website to google.com, and the second one is the custom event for hyperlink. Just click it. You click the hyperlink button here, and close button text is here. Okay, and hello, the title. Now I want some value from the hyperlink button. What can I do? To do some more. Have we a new one? And hyperlink button slash content get value from any of this get value. Okay, get you from this, and the value should be stored in text, and I store the value here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tag here, property tag, and now click here, and Control KD to format and stop. Go to definition and try some code. Và button equals center as hyperlink button, because when we click on hyperlink button, it will catch the sender. The sender is the hyperlink button, and we try to catch more. Sender is hyperlink button. Okay, and now we get value from the button. Set value equals now button dot tag dot string question mark for its cabin up. Okay, null value, and now let's create dialog label, just copy path, and set it with tag. We should use $, and curly bracket, and value. Okay, try to press. It's now. It's okay. Just run app. The value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, just try to click. Get value from this button hyperlink text. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Before we get text, we need to convert sender to hyperlink button, and then the value store the tag of the button and display here. So hyperlink button is easy, not difficult. You can use hyperlink button for some reason, like open local file, like open PDF, like open mail client, or open example like website. Yes, just simple. Yes, open mail, open file, open website, and custom event. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Any question you can ask me below this video, and I will reply if you ask with the topic, with the current topic, or if I have free time, I will try to reply it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.